Hello everyone, welcome to the third and final part of our AI build examples. We'll start with slicing path. In this example, we're using a pipe and guiding the toolpath direction via an imported polyline from your preferred CAD software. Let's have a look. First, we add the geometry, then select our mode, and finally, our guide. Here it is. Let's move it to the center and simulate. How cool is that? Let's switch to segmented mode. This advanced slicing strategy evolves daily, enabling automatic toolpath generation without any guides or selections. We'll test it on this exhaust manifold. By applying this mode, the slicer adjusts the polylines to handle bifurcations and challenging design areas automatically. This is incredibly powerful. Next, we'll rebuild our lines for better quality and optimize them for curvature, allowing more material on open areas. That's it. Let's simulate it. With cloud power, these modes can be reused for your designs, providing flexible and parametric solutions. Now, let's move to the final mode, radial slicing. We'll slice these fins and apply them to the base. This feature is perfect for those with two-axis positioners and rotary tables. First, we'll slice the cylinder horizontally, then the fins radially. Although automatic solutions exist to slice the entire part, we found that controlling slicing strategies in specific areas significantly improves quality in a production environment. Let's sort and combine them now. The simulation shows that we have full flexibility in our toolpath order, and the visual programming architecture helps scale operations for even the most challenging designs. That concludes our 9 different slicing modes. Thank you for choosing AI Build.